Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we will create a logo for a production company, for a movie production company. So the first thing we need to do is type in the name slash films. Increase the size a bit and then choose the font. I went with Roboto in this logo, so let's make this one. Let's make them all capital first. And then let's choose this one, make it light, and make this one bold. And for the slogan, I went ahead and chose a font for this one called Oswald. Actually, it's called Amiri. Let's increase the size for this one, just like that, while pressing Alt and Shift at the same time. And it says Roboto, but we'll change it to Amiri. Let's increase the size. Now the first thing we will do here is bring in a rectangle or an ellipse, sorry, and draw it just like that, in which it will cover this area. I don't remember which font I chose for this one. I think I went with Oswald, not Amiri. Sorry about that mistake. Oswald, regular, an S. Increase the size for it. And now I can't choose the circle because it's not, it's in the back. I'll bring it to front and align it like that. Now for this part, let's select the S object, expand, and click OK. For this one, press A on your keyboard to bring the direct selection tool. And now we will draw another circle. Choose the ellipse tool, or a bunch of circles actually, not just one. Change the color for it to white and replicate it while by pressing Alt while dragging, and now is it like that. It looks like a revolver, a gun's revolver, but it should be. Let's decrease this one a bit. It should represent a movie reel. So one last thing we will do here is make a rectangle by pressing M on your keyboard, rotate it like that, like this angle, yeah, just like that, and press Ctrl M or Shift M to choose the shape builder tool. We forgot to select the S as well, so let's do it again. Now it's cropped. One more time, sorry, didn't get it right. Need to move it somehow. No, I think this is the way to do it. I think we'll leave it at that, since I can't move this part of the S, and go for the A, letter A, this one, which will do object expand, and click OK as well. Select the rectangle tool, draw a shape just like that. Direct selection tool, move the rectangle and select both rectangle and now for the last part, select the rectangle again, Shift M to select the shape builder tool, press Alt while dragging. Now let's select the pen tool, and make it like that. Select the pen tool as well. Select the pen tool again. all of this was done by just the pen tool. And now let's choose a color. For this one, I went ahead with a yellow color, yellow, dark yellow color. I need to select all of these with the eyedropper tool. Select the color just like that. Now select both of these, and with the eyedropper tool as well, you can make it like that. I think I need to increase this part just like that, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, press a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you in the next one.